Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to split our data. We will split the salesperson column into first name and last name. To do that, select the column header and then click on Split Column icon. Here, you can find various different options to split the column data. Split data window will pop up. You will other options to split using different separators. I will select space as a separator. We have now split our salesperson column data into first name and last name using space as a delimiter. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates. Click on the link at your screen to learn to create an awesome dynamic dashboard in minutes. Check out other interesting videos on the BI Nerd. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the BI Nerd.